I feel like the Super Bowl workshop is for a person that is career oriented, somebody that is looking to achieve something greater with their lives, in their business, in their relationship dynamic, in terms of their career path. I feel like it's for somebody who's really focused and just needs to get over the hurdle of being able to learn how to trust themselves. When you become more bold, it's about how you personally trust your ability to step into an environment that is the unknown, whether it's asking for a raise, whether it's asking for marriage, stepping into the next level of who you want to be, whatever that thing is, that is the thing that you need to allow yourself to create. What I experienced just by being here today was a profound opportunity for the dozens of people that are here to really challenge themselves to step into a greater possibility within themselves and to create a powerful vision for that future as well. I think the biggest thing that participants can expect from Fred is you have somebody who cares about your life. You have somebody who genuinely cares about the direction that your life is going. And when somebody cares about your life, when they treat you as a human and not just a participant, when they treat you as somebody who is like trying to accomplish something, they don't skip by you. They don't glance over you. You get individual attention, you get direct attention, and he won't let you off the hook. He won't let you sell out on yourself. He won't let you not live into your greatness. And that's one of the most beautiful things about Fred, is that when I expect the thing that I believe that people get to see and experience by being in this type of workshop is you will be called into the greatest aspect of who you believe yourself to be. Whatever you imagine your greatness can look like, Fred will pull it out of you, and then he will guide you gently and powerfully to seeing it within yourself. It's one of the greatest gifts that I experienced from him.